Now friend, let us today discuss the transportation problem in which we have the two factories, namely the factory P and the factory Q. The capacity of the factory P is 8 unit and the factory Q is 6 unit. They transport some commodity to three stores, that is namely A depot whose capacity is 5 unit and B depot whose capacity is also 5 unit and C depot whose capacity is 4 unit. Now let us try to make the equation. Let us suppose that factory P transported X commodity to the depot A. Then it transport the Y commodity to the depot B. Now the total capacity of the store, this factory is P, is 8 unit. It already transported X unit to A and Y unit to B, so it delivered 8 minus X minus Y unit to the factory, to the depot C. Similarly, this depot got X unit from the factory P, then it will get, how much it will get from the factory Q? Because the capacity of this is 5 units, so it will get 5 minus X unit from the factory Q. Similarly, it already got 5 unit Y unit from the factory P, so it will get 5 minus Y unit from the factory Q. Now how will this get this much? The factory Q have the capacity 6 unit, but it already given 5 minus X, that plus 5 minus Y, because it already given 5 minus X to A and 5 minus Y to B, so it will give 5 minus X plus 5 minus Y to the depot C. So total quantities, if you solve this one, minus 4 plus X plus Y unit, this will got from the, that is from the Q, or you can say overall C will get from this Q. Now if you add this one, X will cancel, so what is left behind here? That is 5 unit. Y is cancelled, so 5 unit left and it tallies. And similarly here, X cancel with X, Y cancel with Y, and 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4 unit. It will get 4 unit from the overall. And if you tally this one, X and Y are cancelled, 8, that is 8 unit, and 5 minus X, that is X and Y are cancelled, 5, 5, 10 minus 4, 6 unit, that 6 unit tally with this one. So your table is right. Now we will make the equation that X is greater than equal to 0. Similarly, Y is also greater than equal to 0, and 8 minus X minus Y is also greater than equal to 0. So if you solve this one, then X plus Y is less than equal to 8. Similarly, you will get this 5 minus X is greater than equal to 0. So what will you get? You will get X is less than equal to 5. Similarly, this one, that is Y is less than equal to 5, and this also, that X plus Y is less than equal to 8, and this equation, that X plus Y is greater than equal to 4. So these are the equation, that X is greater than equal to 0, Y is greater than equal to 0, X plus Y is less than equal to 8, X is less than equal to 5, Y less than equal to 5, and X plus Y is greater than equal to 4. These are the equations of this table. Now if you make the graph of these all equations, you will get the graph in such a way. That is the graph. These are the lines, X plus Y, that is this one, X plus Y is less than equal to 8. Now how you will solve this one? That X plus Y is less than equal to 8. So you put any value. Suppose you want to put this value 0, 0. Then 0 plus 0 is less than equal to 8. That is a true statement. So the graph shaded towards this point. So that is this point. So in this way you will get the graph of this one, and this is called the, that is called the bounded region. Bounded region. These are called the corner point. If you see, these are the corner point, and the corner points are what? Corner points are, see the corner points. Corner point here are 0, 4, that is 0, 4 here. Similarly 0, 5, and that is 3, 5, and similarly 5, that is your 5, 0, 5, 3, 5, 5, 3, and then 5, 0, and then that is your 5, 0, and finally you will have the, that is point 4, 0, that is point 4, 0, this point, that is 0, 4, and that is 4, 0. Now what is the objective function here? Objective function, when you make the objective function, then that is the, what is the objective function here? So Z minimum, you want to minimize the transportation problem, so that multiply, now see this one, X commodity P with this one, so what will you get? That is equal to 160 multiply by this X. So your objective function is 160X plus, that is 100 and Y, this Y, that is 100 and Y plus 100 Y. Similarly, how much this one? That is 150. So plus 158 minus X minus Y. So similarly plus 100, that is 5 minus X plus 120 and 5 minus Y plus 100 minus 4 plus X plus Y. These are the value, that is 100 and minus 4 plus X plus Y. This value 120, that is 5 minus Y. So finally when you solve this one, then you will get 10X minus 7Y plus 190. This is your objective function. Now if you put the objective function, this one value, in the corner point, that is in the graph, in the corner point here, then you will get, these values are, you will get here the values are, that is 1620 1550 1580 1740 1950 and 1940. These value you will get by putting in the objective function. Now see, what is the minimum value? 1550. This value is the minimum value. You will get it as what? At 0.05. At this point you have the minimum transportation charges. So in this way you can solve the transportation problem.